great power of this thing we do. Make our motives true. Help us remember to remember you. We come to worship on this day. Our minds may wander so far away. Sometimes in worship we go through the motions without any notion of why we gather here. So when we enter this holy place, lead us to worship through prayer and praise, as we remember your great salvation and bring celebration of all the life you give. Lord, still our souls till we let go all that crowds the mind, all that's drawing our hearts away from you. Break our routine. Help us see the great power of this thing we do. Make our motives true. Help us remember